Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. And today we will be seeing how to prepare pann Patholi. I have mentioned two different types of recipes for the preparation of Patholi, that is Elayada and Otada. Now, pann Patholi, that is Elayada and Otada, is a sweet dish usually prepared in Konkani homes. It is healthy dish since it is prepared by steaming. This dish was adopted by Konkanis from the Keralites upon migration to Kerala. Elayada is given as a prasada during Ganapati Homa in Kerala temples. Keralites usually use banana leaves for the preparation of the dish. Instead of banana leaves, turmeric leaves can also be used in the preparation of Elayada. The patholi prepared out of banana leaf and turmeric leaf are different in flavor, aroma and in taste. Then we Konkanis usually prepare and serve pann Patholi to the newly wed bride coming to their homes during Chudi Pujan in the month of Shravana. Then difference between Elayada and Otada. So Elayada, it is a steamed preparation of Patholi, and Otada is the roasted preparation. Otada is called Bhajili Patholi in Konkani. Both the patholis have different taste and flavor, but my personal opinion is that roasted one is more tastier than the steamed one. Okay. Then otada can be prepared using rice flour, maida, and some recipes even suggest you use wheat flour for health reasons. But rice flour is tastier, and I have used rice flour in the preparation of both Elayada and as well as otada. Now, traditional way of preparing pann Patholi is by using parboiled rice. So first the rice is soaked for 5 to 6 hours and then ground to a coarse paste. The rest of the procedure is the same as that in the preparation of pann Patholi and rice flour. Now you can use rice flour which you get in the market. The usual one which is used in the preparation of idiyappam is much better option. Use roasted rice flour. Then I have also mentioned about the variation in the preparation of chun or the stuffing you keep for the preparation of pann Patholi also, that I have mentioned in the end. This cuisine is a favorite of kids and can be prepared as a 4 o'clock dish too. To the ingredients. 1 cup roasted rice flour. I have used idiyappam flour available in the market. Half cup coconut scrapings, 1/4 cup grated jaggery, 1 handful rice flakes, 8 to 10 numbers of cardamom powder, elaichi powder and use, hot water as required for kneading the dough, 1 to 2 tablespoon ghee, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, a pinch of salt, banana leaves as required. Take the rice flour in a wide mouth mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon ghee or coconut oil can also be used, but I would prefer ghee. And a pinch of salt, mix well. Now add hot water little by little to make a thick batter. See that the batter does not become runny. The batter should not be neither thick nor thin. Keep the batter for 1 hour. Mix coconut, jaggery, elaichi and keep aside. The mixture is called chun or the stuffing. So you can either prepare the chun this way, that is just by directly mixing coconut, jaggery and elaichi, or else you can prepare it the other way around. I will tell you how to prepare. That is another method of preparing chun which is more tastier than this instant method of preparation of chun. 1 cup of grated jaggery, that is add the grated jaggery to a hot tawa. Melt the grated jaggery without adding water. Add grated coconut to this and mix well. Roast for a few seconds. Add rice flakes and mix well. Add cardamom powder and mix well. Your chun or stuffing is ready. This is the chun or the stuffing that you get after you prepare it the way I told you, the second method. Then now spread the batter end to end onto the banana leaf. Spread it in such a way that you do not break the midrib of the leaf when you fold it. Before spreading the batter, apply ghee to your fingers. You can even apply coconut oil if you don't have ghee at home, but the ghee will give the dish a better aroma and flavor, so I would prefer ghee instead of coconut oil. Take small amount of chun and place on one side of the batter that is spread on the banana leaf. Fold the leaf and gently press it by folding. See that the chun does not come out from the sides by pressing. Repeat with the rest of the batter and the chun. Heat a steamer or a idli maker with water. Once the water starts boiling, reduce the flame. Arrange the prepared patholi on the perforated plate inside the steamer. Close the lid of the steamer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, open the lid of the steamer and switch off the flame. Your Elayada is ready to be served. Serve warm or at room temperature. Now coming to the preparation of ottada or bhajili patholi. Now that is very simple method. And the method for preparation of chun and the preparation of patholi, that is spreading it onto the banana leaf, placing the chun in the center and then folding it, all that remains the same. The only difference is that instead of steaming, you will dry roast the patholi along with the banana leaf. Now you can use a tawa for that. Spread the patholi on the tawa. Roast it until cooked properly. Roast on both the sides. Your Elayada, your ottada is ready to be served. Now, I told you that I will be telling about the variations of chun that we use. So now there are variation in the preparation of chun for this pann patholi, and they are as follows. You can either use coconut, jaggery, cardamom, ripe jackfruit cut into pieces for your stuffing. Or another method is coconut, jaggery, cardamom, ripe Nendran banana or Kerala variety banana cut into small pieces can be used. Then coconut, jaggery, cardamom, rice flakes, that is pova. In this case, the amount of coconut can be reduced as you are using pova in the preparation. So these are the different types of chun that you can use for the preparation of pann patholi. Now thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.